Hey, in this video, I'm going to share a discount coupon code for monsterthumbnails.com with you so you can save money on your monsterthumbnails.com subscription every month recurring. So it's a pretty cool coupon code. I'm going to show you what it is, how to use it, and exactly what it gives you. So let's get to it. So once you're going to be on the checkout page of any of these monsterthumbnails.com packages, so it doesn't matter if you have the 4 thumbnails per month or the 50 thumbnails per month, this coupon is going to work. So where is the coupon, how it works? So here you're going to have to input your email first because it doesn't work without inputting your email. And then you click on have a discount code, click here to enter it. You click here and you type in VOVA10. You then click on apply. And boom, you see it saves you 10% off this subscription package. And instead of paying 150, you're gonna pay 135. Now, if you don't input the email, it's not gonna give you this option. Let me show you also that it works for the biggest kind of subscription plan. So also click here on have a discount code, input VOVA10 and click on apply. Boom, it works for this package as well, so 10% off discount. And I gotta tell you that it works for all the other discount packages with monsterthumbnails.com. If you're not too sure what monsterthumbnails.com is, there's gonna be a link down in the description to check out their page and see what it's all about. This is the page of Monster Thumbnails. It's gonna be an affiliate link down there, also along with the coupon code if you wanna copy paste it. And here you can see their thumbnails, you can see more information about them, the different packages that they have. And this dude here is me, but here I haven't shaved, here I've shaved, but yeah, happy to share this coupon with you. So again, I'm telling you that the coupon is VOVA10, V-O-V-A-10, and it's gonna give you 10% off your Monster Thumbnails subscription every month. If ever I'm gonna have bigger discount coupons, I'm gonna include them down in the description as well. And also up here on the screen now, you're gonna see the end screen that you can click in order to see my review of monsterthumbnails.com. These guys really helped me get my CTR on my thumbnails, and it's getting just better and better every month. I already switched to the 8 thumbnails per month subscription and probably will switch to the next one as well. So click here to click it and have a great day. Bye-bye.